In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage payroll items in QuickBooks Online Payroll. Managing payroll items properly is essential to making sure your employees are paid accurately and consistently. Things like regular pay, overtime, bonuses, insurance deductions, and retirement contributions all live inside each employee's profile as individual items. I'll walk you through how to review and update those items for a specific employee so your payroll runs smoothly and without surprises. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head to the Payroll area. On the left-hand navigation menu, look for the Payroll option, then choose Employees. This is where you'll see a list of everyone you pay through QuickBooks, including active and, in many cases, inactive employees. Next, find and select the name of the employee whose payroll items you want to edit. If you have many employees, you can use the search bar or filters to locate them more quickly. Clicking the employee's name opens their profile, which is where all of their pay details are stored. Inside the employee's profile, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You're looking for sections labeled something like Pay Types and Deductions and Contributions. Pay types usually cover items such as hourly or salary pay, overtime, commission, or bonuses. Deductions and contributions include things like health insurance, retirement plans, or other withholdings. When you're ready to make changes, look for a Start or Edit link within the relevant section. Click that link to open the detailed settings for that employee's payroll items. From here, you can add new items, remove items by unchecking them, or modify the default rates and amounts. For example, you might add a new bonus pay type, adjust an hourly rate, or update the amount withheld for a benefits deduction. Take your time to verify that each item reflects your current agreement with the employee, as well as any legal or company policy requirements. Once you've finished making your adjustments, scroll down and select Save or Done. This step is important because your changes won't apply to future pay runs unless they're saved. After saving, it's a good idea to glance back over the profile to confirm everything looks correct before processing your next payroll. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can keep each employee's payroll items accurate and up to date in QuickBooks Online Payroll.